Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how you can scalp volatility 75 index, volatility 25 index, and volatility 10 index on the lower time frames. Before we go to the lower time frames, we are going to look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, starting with V75, I have V75 on the higher time frame. The higher time frame was initially bullish, but now it appears as if we are already started, we have commenced a bearish trend. Okay, bullish, what do I mean by bullish? We had a bullish structure. We had a low, a high, higher low, okay, higher high. That's significance of bullish structure. But now we are like having a retracement or a reversal. Retracement in the sense that we are seeing the characteristics of a bearish structure, in the sense that this is a high, this is a low, we have a lower high, now we are having a lower low. So that's starting a bearish trend. But we expect price to dip to this level, then possibly go up a bit and then dip further, possibly reversing everything that happened, okay, on the left. All right, but we might be wrong. At the end of the day, price could just dip a little and then start to go up. So this is volatility 75 index. Okay, now that's that on the daily time frame. Let's quickly look at what has happened on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see something like a low. You can see a range breakout, then we are having a lower low. Okay, we're initially in the range. Okay, now we are at the range. This was the range bottom. Okay, now we have a breakout. Now we are having a lower low and it's heading for, it's already below the range bottom and it's going down. So for now, V75 is bearish on 4-hour time frame. We have a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we have a high high, but now we are heading for the lower low segment or section also. So look for selling opportunities on V75 for now until things change. Okay, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So price kept on breaking structures, broke structure around here, broke structure around here, broke structure around here, broke structure around here. Okay, broke this structure, and this structure has just been broken. Okay, so price is still going for the bottom of the chart. Okay, this is the bottom of the chart. Price is heading towards the 363893 area. Okay, so it's currently giving us lower high. This high is lower than this high. This high is lower than this high. This high is lower. This high is lower than this high. So we might see another and a lower high, then price could go to this bottom or break the bottom and then we have a new low. Okay, but for now, price going down on the 1-hour time frame. Look for selling opportunities, volatility 75 index. You can see it going down. So as long as this descending trend line holds, it's still going down. But if price decides to go up suddenly, probably gets into the range or the chart low and start to go up and breaks this descending trend line, then we might see price going up. But for now, if price is going to go up, to be targeting the other blocks. We have this other block here. Target this other block. We have another block like a resistance area. Target this resistance area, this other block. We have another block here to target this other block, to target that other block. So but for now it's going down. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame is much more elaborate. We can see it clearly that the trend is bearish for now on the 15 minutes time frame, where we have the lower lows. This low, okay, we have another low that's lower than this very low, lower than this very, which is this low. Now this particular low is also lower than the previous low. So once you start seeing lower lows, that's a bearish structure. Okay, It's a bearish structure. Your other block, your resistance, if you are when you are selling, where to place your stop loss. Place your stop loss above this other block here, somewhere around 377,312. Okay, you can place your stop loss somewhere around there if you intend to join the bearish trend. On the 5 minutes time frame, you can see price is establishing new lows. Look at this candle going down. Just look for selling opportunities. Structure was broken around here. Okay, we have this high, lower high, lower high. We're currently having a lower high, so it's going down. Just look for selling opportunities on V25 for now. You can see the 1 minute to telling us we are going up. But if price is going to rise up on the 1 minute, where are the other blocks? Okay, this one other block here. There's a block here. Okay, this is a block. Okay, this can be taken as a block too. Can take this as a block. Okay, this is a block, the most recent block, other block. Okay, other blocks are resistance zones on the screen. As you can see, you can find price can find resistance here. You can find resistance. You can find resistance here. So look for selling opportunities on V75 for now. Let's look at V25 on the daily time frame. You can see what's happening on V25. V25 on the daily time frame is bullish. Okay, zooming out is look at just look at that. Just look at that. It's bullish on the daily time frame, and it's going for this top. We are still on the daily time frame. V25 is going for this top. Okay, this other block around here. Okay, we are talking about the 1990 area. Okay, look at higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, look at this. This high is higher than this. This low here is higher than this higher low, and this low here is higher than this low. Okay, so it keeps breaking structure to the upside. This structure here just broken yesterday on this daily time frame. Structure got broken yesterday, so it keeps breaking structure. So, and it's targeting the 1990 area. So if you're going to place trade, just place a buy. Okay, place a buy on the daily time frame. V25. Look at what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. The bulls are in charge. Look at the bears tried, but they are unable to establish a lower low. In as much as the bears are unable to establish a lower low, and the bulls keep on having higher high, and you look for buying opportunities. Now, if you are going to place stop loss on this 4-hour time frame, the longest drawdown. Okay, this is the longest drawdown for now. Could be your stop loss. So if you enter a trade around here, your stop loss could be here. If you are using the 4-hour time frames and your take profit, you can target ×2 or ×1 of the stop loss take profit height or depth. Okay, on point. Okay, let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, the all of yesterday, price a day before price dipped, and all of yesterday price. So we are more like in a range on the 1-hour time frame for now. Okay, we are in range. Okay, price is going for the range top. This is the range bottom on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame. So price heading for the 19, going for the range top 1945 area. Okay, price heading for that. Look at the bears are trying to dip price, and the bulls are immediately resisting the dip. Okay, so for now price is heading up. Look at like a double bottom on the V25 1-hour time frame. V25 1-hour time frame, we can see a clear double bottom. So price is going up. So price as it's going up, going to target this top area. Okay, going to target this top area as it's going up. Okay, but if you are buying, your stop loss could be somewhere around here. Okay, place a stop loss there. All right, that's V25 on the 1-hour time frame. Let's quickly go to the 30 minutes time frame. You can see the double bottom much more clearer. Okay, look at this bottom, and look at this bottom. V25 double bottom on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, and price is trying to break this neckline. Okay, a break of this neckline, we might see a retest. Okay, and for price to now continue up to the top. Okay, that's that for V25. On the 30-minute time frame, let's look at the 15-minute time frame. The double bottom is more clearer. I won't be surprised if we have another dip. Okay, for us to have inverted head and shoulder, and then price will climb. Okay, but for now, look for buying opportunities. Don't sell. Look for buying opportunities for now. If you are buying, target the other blocks. Target the other blocks as your take profit. Look at this other block here. That could be your take profit. Target that point. Look at this particular other block here too. That could be your take profit. Look at this other one. Look at this other one. This could be your take profit. Okay, target the other blocks. Okay, so that's that for V25 on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's go quickly to the 5 minutes time frame. V25 5 minutes time frame. What do we have on the 5 minutes time frame? You can see a dip and then a rise. Okay, the bear stepped in more like a break of structure to the downside. The bears are optimistic that, oh, we were successful. They were successful here and they were optimistic. But look at the bulls came in, and the bulls are currently reversing all that happened. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, and the bulls are heading for this top here. A break of this structure at the top here. A break of this structure at the top here. You see price going higher. So for now, join the bulls and buy V25. On the 1 minute time frame, the bulls are having a field day. Look at having a field day, and price kept on rising and rising and rising. Okay, with little resistance from the bears. Okay, the bears are trying to give us some level of resistance, but this is the 1 minute time frame. This can just push up any moment. That's the analysis, scalping analysis on V25 for now. Let's go to V10. Let's look at V10. V10 on the daily time frame is bullish. Initially, we had a bearish run here. We had a bearish run here, but that is currently being reversed. So on the daily time frame, volatility 10 index is bullish. Okay, bullish in the sense that we have a low here, high. Okay, higher low. Okay, then we have a higher high. All right, this is a higher high, but as we have a high, we now have a higher low. We have a higher low. Look at this higher low. And then we now have a lower high. We have a lower high. This high is not as high as this high. So the high is lower. This high is lower than this particular high. So more like the start of a bearish trend around here. Look at start of a bearish where we have lower low. But look at what's happening now. Immediately we're having a lower high, then higher low. When you see lower high and followed by higher low, then that's the start of a bullish trend. And look at the break of the structure. The break of structure happened around here. Okay, for us to have higher high. So price is aiming for this top. But on the daily time frame, V10, we can say for now on the daily time frame, V10 is ranging. Okay, we can conclude that it's ranging. This is the range top on the daily time frame. This is the range bottom on the daily time frame. So look at more like inverted head and shoulder. Inverted head and shoulder. What do I mean by that? This is the left shoulder. Okay. This is the head. Okay. And this is the right shoulder. This is the right shoulder. Okay. So V10 is ranging on the daily time frame with an inverted head and shoulder outlook. Let's look at V10 on the 4-hour time frame. Look at 4-hour time frame is clearly a bullish trend. We have a low, we have a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We have this low here, but it's not as low as this. So you see higher low, and we are about having a higher high. Okay, look at the candle here. It's already in the resistance area and it's trying to break it. So that's V10 on the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at V10 on the 1-hour time frame. You can see inverted head and shoulder on the 1-hour time frame. Remember, we have inverted head and shoulder on the daily time frame. Now we are having inverted head and shoulder on the 1 hour time frame. So that's the synchronization of two inverted head and shoulder. Look at the daily time frame, inverted head and shoulder. Now we are having inverted head and shoulder. This is point out that price is going up. So for V10, just look to buy, look for buying opportunities. Don't join the seller so that you don't end up losing some money. So back to the 1 hour time frame, inverted head and shoulder. This is the neckline of the inverted head and shoulder, and it's been broken, retested. Look at it, retested it, and price is going up. So join the buyers for V10. Now let's look at V10 on the 30 minutes time frame. We have a double bottom around here, this bottom and this bottom, the double bottom on the 30 minutes time frame. We are looking at V10. Break of the neckline happened somewhere around here, and look at a retest of that break of neckline. Look at what happened. V10 is buying, and it's still buying. We have already a break of structure to the upside. This is the structure, got broken around here, and price is going up. So look for buying opportunities for V10 on the 30 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see a low, a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher. That's a bullish structure. And the trend line is the trend line, ascending trend line. This is another ascending trend line. It's being respected. We don't have a break of trend line for now. So it's a bullish structure. Look for buying opportunities. But so on the 15 minutes time frame, this particular structure was broken around there. Look at the retest. So price is going up. Join the buyers, don't join the sellers for V10 on the 15 minutes time frame. For V10 on the 5 minutes time frame, we can see price is establishing higher lows. Look at this low. Look at this low. This low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. So look at higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We might see higher high, but don't be deceived. This volatility index, instead of having a higher high, we might have a double top. Price might test this trend line before going up. So look for buying opportunities. We are going to buy using the 5 minutes time frame. What is the deepest drawdown? Is it drawdown? This is another drawdown. Okay, so looking for the deeper, we might take this as a drawdown. So if you buy here, your stop loss should be somewhere around here. So you can target 1 times 1 of this depth. If you are buying at this current price, you can target times 1, or you can target times 2 as a take profit. So that's that for V10 on the 5 minutes time frame. For V10 on the 1 minute time frame, what do we have? You can see a double top, established double top. Okay, but we have other blocks. We have support. Other blocks are support. This is another block. You can serve as support. Price to get to this other block and start going back up. So if price is going to go up, it needs to break this current other block around here. Okay, let's break this. Okay, so that's that for VIX analysis for this morning. We've analyzed volatility 75, we've analyzed volatility 25, analyzed volatility 10. Okay, so if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you are here to like the video, click the like button if you like what you just saw. Drop comment, ask question, click the bell button below the video for notification. You can go to our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility indices. Okay, you can also visit another website of ours, fxtrader.com, to learn more on how to trade VIX. Till I come your way tomorrow, is bye for now.